In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a camera ticket online in Washington, D.C. If you received a photo enforcement or camera ticket in D.C., the fastest way to take care of it is through the official D.C. Department of Motor Vehicles online payment portal. When you open the site, choose the option for parking and photo enforcement violations. This is the section used for camera tickets, so make sure you select the correct category before moving on. From there, enter the required information exactly as it appears on your ticket. In most cases, you can look up the violation using your ticket number or your license plate details. Take a moment to type everything carefully because even a small mistake can prevent the system from finding your record. Once your ticket appears, review the details on the screen so you can confirm you're paying the correct violation. Before you continue to check out, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, the online portal accepts major cards including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. There is also a 2.5% service fee added to debit and credit card payments, so your final total may be slightly higher than the base fine amount. Second, and very important, once you pay the ticket, you give up your right to contest it. So if you believe the citation was issued in error and you want to challenge it, do not submit payment. Paying is considered acceptance of the violation. Also pay close attention to timing. You generally have 30 calendar days from the mailing date of the photo ticket to pay the fine. If payment is not received within that period, an additional penalty equal to the original fine can be added. Because of that, it's a good idea to handle the ticket as soon as possible rather than waiting until the deadline. If you decide to proceed, simply follow the secure checkout prompts on the website, enter your payment details, and complete the transaction. After payment is submitted, keep a copy of your confirmation for your records. Saving a screenshot or receipt can be helpful in case you need to verify the payment later. If you'd rather not pay online, DC also offers other payment methods. You can mail a check or money order payable to DC Treasurer, making sure to include your ticket number on the memo line. You can also pay by phone through the official payment line or pay in person at the Adjudication Service Center with your ticket and a valid government-issued ID. That's how to pay a camera ticket online in Washington, D.C.